Everybody, this is Alphonse Anacrelico, the vested agent with Century 21 American Homes. Today, I'm going to show you another video in the Handyman series. We're going to restore an old axe. Now, you have to take this with a grain of salt. You'll see why as the slides progress. Recently, a friend asked me to attach this axe blade with all this rust to this handle with all this dirt and all these cracks. The first step was to wire brush all the rust away and all the pit marks as best as possible. I did this with a wire brush mounted to a drill press. Here's the blade partially done. Here's the blade after I finished wire brushing. Then I did some grinding to sharpen the blade and some sanding to brush away the grind marks. Now for the axe handle. Normally, I would say power washing is a great way to approach this thing. Power washing will get all the dirt off, including inside all these cracks you can see in the handle. But after all, it's just an axe handle. I wasn't going to crack out the pressure washer just for this. So I power sanded the axe handle with an 8-inch dual action pneumatic sander and 80 grit DA paper. Then I filled in all the cracks with clear epoxy. Then, of course, you finish off the axe handle with a couple of coats of high gloss exterior polyurethane. While my handle is drying, I started painting the blade. Now comes time to attach the blade and handle. Don't mind what appear to be white specks on this blade. It's just light reflecting off some imperfect surfaces. I'll show you later on. The blade and handle are put together with a formulation of epoxy that I like to use. I'm not going to tell you exactly what it is because it's highly classified. But let me tell you something. Anybody that wants to separate this blade and handle is going to have some work in front of them. Finally, we get to see a completed product. Here's my axe. Actually, it's not my axe, it's a friend's axe. But there it is, completed. And this is a hammer of mine that was in similar condition last week, and I decided to work on it. It's hard to tell from this picture, but if you look at that beveled spot near the front of the hammer, I painted that red, so I did a two-tone paint job on my hammer. At Acme Hammer and Axe, we take pride in our work. Take care, all.